Hello all, this is Bishwadip and I am a non-technical person and I am going to start my 100 days of AI journey where currently I am using all AI different AI tools but I don't know how to build those things with the use of AI. So I took a challenge of 100 days where I'll try to build something publicly in front of you all, documenting each and everything daily basis, and I will create an MVP product or maybe a SaaS product, and based on which I think it will be beneficial for all of you. So this is my journey, and I'll show everything what I've done on each day, and I'll document it in on Notion so that everyone can go through my process and also can learn and also can uh, give me feedbacks and suggestions if wherever is being required. So let me start with the day one, that about what I'm going to what I've gone through. So for day one, so let me give you a brief about what is an AI. What is an AI? So I'll 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 mention everything in a simpler words. So what is an AI? AI means like how the computers or machines just try to replicate the human intelligence, behavior, emotions. It's not about emotions, human intelligence and other analysis and other things. So how they replicate, we as a human, how we train them so they can get the exact behavioral output of what we expect and what we are going to do. So that is done through an AI, that is called the okay. So today we will learn about ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. So these are the four things that we will learn today. It's not about I don't it's not about that you will learn something, maybe you have used it for so many times. I'm also using this tools for so many times, but to build something and to know the difference between all of these things is the main criteria here, what I'm going to teach you or tell you. So for chat gpt, Gemini, Claude and Perplexity, and there are some other uh, AI assistants. These are called the AI assistants. Let me write it over here. These are AI, these are the AI assistants. Okay, so these four things are the AI assistants which helps in identifying and giving out the solutions to all the queries that what we have. Okay, so ChatGPT is being developed by the OpenAI. It's a company. OpenAI is a company. Then Gemini is being developed by Google. Claude is developed by Anthropic, and Perplexity is another company. So totally, these are the four main basic LLM tools that you can say with, or the AI assistants with which you can or me can identify or give the solutions to everything. Okay, so what I have done today, let me tell you, I'll be using one prompt in four of the uh, AI assistants, and let's see the output what I'm getting from it. Whether they are showing the same kinds of output or whether there is a different kinds of output that they are reflecting, and at what time you will be using which one. So that this is the main difference that I'm going to show you, that what I've learned. For ChatGPT, it gives you the normal creative writing, normal research, and for day-to-day work, you can get everything through ChatGPT. It's not like you will be getting the same other things through Gemini, Claude, or Perplexity. Yes, but the regular day-to-day work, you can use the ChatGPT. Then coming as Gemini. Okay, so Gemini is having the multimodal structure where you can able to create video like with the use of VO. I'll be covering it later point of time with the use of VO or uh, or say image model. You can create any kinds of models over there and also use it on daily purpose. Say like you want to create any kinds of uh, say GIF or image or video, you can do with the Gemini. Then coming as Claude, it is the most advanced AI assistance where if you want to provide it anything and tell Claude to analyze or give you the data, it will give you the exact things by doing researching and providing and analyzing all those things. It will give you good PPTs, then good Excel sheets, whichever you want. Then what you can showcase to other higher managements or anyone or for your own purpose. It gives you a deep thorough uh, thorough documents whichever you require. Then comes the perplexity. Perplexity is used only for the deep research. Say, uh, say you want to research some of the topics against thousands of topics which is present in the current planet. Okay, so you are trying to match or compare that thing with the whole planet. So at that time, the perplexity will come into play because this gives you a deep research model and provide you with the exact results. So these are some of the differences that uh, some of the differences of this AI assistants. Okay, and you need to keep asking questions on these chatbots so that you can understand that for your purpose which uh, which tool is required for your purpose. Maybe at some time you require Gemini to create a video or an image. During some time you need Claude to create some documents, and also ChatGPT for your say day-to-day life work. You may be asking some of the random questions, so the ChatGPT is good for that. And then for perplexity, say you want to you are doing a thesis paper where you want to uh, compare everything with thousands of research papers that are already being published, or you want to take a patent, so whether is it really good for one good for you or not. So it gives you a detailed research and the analysis on those things. So now come to ChatGPT. I'll be asking one simple question. I'll be what happened, sorry. Okay, fine, I'll move into the ChatGPT. Okay, this is the ChatGPT interface. The ChatGPT interface for your daily work. You must go to click on this new chat, and this interface will open. Okay, these are the different things. I'll show you at later point of time how we are building things with these also. These are the main things that is there present in the chat gpt, but initially you must be getting interacted with this chat gpt and the other AI tools which I will be showing before diving into the deeper part. Okay, so I'll be asking, say I am a business owner and a non technical person, but I want to learn AI. Okay, non-technical person, but I want to learn AI. Let's see. I'll be using this chat and providing the chat GPT. Let's see what it comes. Okay, let me copy this thing so that I can. So I've copied. Let's see. By that time, I'll be going into another part. Say I'll be going to Claude. Okay, click on this Claude. So you will be having the options of logging or sign up, so you just can logging on sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, the same interface, the different interface is showing, but the same chat where you want, you can provide that. So there are different models over here. You can see the Haiku 4.5, Sonnet 4.6, Opus 4.6. It is the most advanced model. So for your for as a starter, you can use your Haiku or Sonnet 4.6. This will be the starter models for you to work on. Okay, so let me paste the same question. So let me see what it comes. Okay, now I have given Gemini. See, it's being developed by Google, so it is showing that thing. As I have already been signed up with all of these tools, so it is directly moving into this my Gmail. It is directly logging in from my Gmail. Okay, let me ask the simple question again. Fine. Now I'll be going through the perplexity model. Perplexity. See, it's being asking. So similarly, it will be asked for at your time also whenever you try to open the Chat GPT, Gemini, Google, or Perplexity. Fine. For personal research, go with the free version. At first, learn how to use this tool. Then you can use the Perplexity Pro or the Perplexity Max version. But initially, go with the free version. Okay. Now let me paste this question. Done. Okay. So let me go to this ChatGPT. What I've got, that's actually one of the best position to be in right now. You don't need to become a hardcore engineer. First, shift your mindset. What actually you need to learn. Simple roadmap. Prompting, your main skill, because the main thing is that about the prompting, that how you are prompting to each of these AI assistants is different for different tools. Like for an graphic designer, if they are posting it randomly, then it doesn't work. They need to provide some navigation lane or something or the other to provide the exact details how the UI or the UX should be looking at it. So that's how I got in the ChatGPT with the five phases, that starting from what we need to go through, then the how the automation works, then prompting, then the AI tools for business, and then the low code to create the SaaS products or the MVP product. Then after that we have got the 30-day simple plan and the biggest advantage. So that is how it's being worked on the ChatGPT. Now move into this Claude version. See, it's being given a detailed description that how the Claude is working and what you need to do or what it's being providing as a non-technical person. So it gives you the overall brief or the summary that what do you exactly need. Then similarly ask your question, would you like help figuring out which AI tools make the most sense for your specific type of business. Once you post the response or say I am a newbie, I am a newbie and I am a newbie to AI tools. So again it will show you all of the things that a see. Welcome, everyone starts as a newbie. The good news is AI tools today are designed to be very user friendly. Let's start from the very basics. So it will be asking you questions to give you the exact thing which you want. For the ChatGPT, you don't know that whether want to whether I want to start my AI journey or not. But they has given me in 5 phases that start with this prompting, start the AI tools for business, you can use this and that. But they didn't ask me that whether I want to use this ChatGPT or other AI tools for my business or not. So that's where Claude comes handy. It's giving a good response and it's asking you questions so that you can give them the better response. So that once you give them the questions or in the chat, they will give you the good response or the output uh, what you are requiring. So that's how Claude works. Now come to the Gemini. See, it's also type of something as ChatGPT, but not like that. It's giving you an overall what is an AI. It's not asking that uh, whether you are the technical person or not, because the Gen AI, predictive AI, automation, RPA, these are the total bouncing words or bomb blasting words for each of the person who is not a technical person. So that's become quite difficult for a newbie or for us to understand what does it look like. So that's how this Gemini works. But if you ask them questions, see, would you like me to help you identify a specific pain point in your business and walk through how an AI tool could fix it? Say it's already been asking that for my business which AI tool will be good for it. So I'll not be directly moving through it as I'm a newbie. So write it, I am a newbie to this AI tool. Let's see what's response it gives. Welcome to the starting line. Being a newbie is actually the best time to start. The Swiss Army knife, general assistance, the digital polisher, writing and communication. So it gives you an overall that providing the tools name directly without providing the analysis or how it can help you. It is providing the list of the tools that may helps you in different kinds of in your business ideas. Say for the ChatGPT, OpenAI, or Claude, Anthropic. So these are the chatbots that can be used for your brainstorming ideas. Then the for the writing communication, Grammarly and Business Otter .ai, Fireflies. So it provides you the list of the AI tools that can be used for your business. So I think currently you have understood the Claude AI is giving you some of the more deeper and more generative thoughts process that what our brain wants. So it is more like creating documents or something, providing a clear version what do you want. Now coming on to Perplexity. See, for the Perplexity is given you the overall idea and the research it has gone through. Say for the top starter course, it's given AI for Everyone by Andrew G on Coursera. So this Andrew Ng is a guy who is the master of AI and has created this machine learning and NLP things. And so they have suggested, the Perplexity have suggested, if you want to learn about this AI or if you want to start into this AI journey, go for this course AI for Everyone from the Coursera, so that you can learn the basics and start with the AI work. So it has also given some of the other series and how to work on those things. See, it has also given us the source, a comprehensive guide to AI training for small businesses. So these are the sources that has been provided with the chat. That is why I have told you earlier that the while using Perplexity, it shows you all the research kind of things and all provide the sources also that where from where you can learn these things and how you can start with the learning path of AI. See, the follow-ups questions, the different questions that may arise in your brain, that how business owners successfully integrated AI into operations, like say, okay, best free AI tools for small business marketing. So these are the different follow-ups questions that may arise. So that's how the different AI assistants or the different AI chatbots are working on day-to-day basis, and in this way it's being trained by their own companies. So I hope you have got a clear idea that how these different AI assistants work, and how it can be, and how you as an user for this tools can use it on daily purpose. Now coming on to this another tool, which is the Notion. I hope everyone I this is a Notion. It's it's a tool where you can save all your work. Say if you want to have task, uh, you have created a 30-day task, and you want to put a checkbox over that side, and you want to clear or put everything in a disciplined routine, then you can use a Notion. Or for note taking also you can use Notion. What the Google has given, this Google Keep, it's similar to this Notion but with the use of the AI. But kindly, I'll not be going through the Notion. I'll be showing what I am copy pasting in this Notion, so that me and you can go through this 100-day journey and can check what we have learned till now. So let me go into this Notion. Okay, as I've already logged in, so this is the Notion landing page that is being shown. So let me delete this thing, and let me create a new page over here. Add new. Okay, so these are the different works or the workflows that you can work on. Task routing agents, then the status update agents. So as I'll be only taking the notes, I'll not be doing anything. So I'll start with the day one and copy paste from the responses that I've got from the Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and the ChatGPT. So let me mention as day one. Okay, and right from here. So this is the actual response that we got. So let me write it down over here. Okay, chat gpt chat gpt response. Chat gpt response. Okay, now see if you can make it bold, and you can use it like a Microsoft Word only. It's simple as that. Okay, and edit with AI. Fine. Now go to the Claude response. This is the Claude response. Now we have the Gemini. So we can understand that what is the differences in the responses or the output that is coming up. Gemini response, Perplexity response. Okay, so that's how that we are working on this different tools or all the Notion. So that's all about day one. I will come to the prompting section on day 2. Thank you everyone.